Howdy you all. Well, I came here to Branxton and I'm filming today at the Melbourne Sharps reunion. And the Melbourne Sharps was quite a unique, I guess you could say, a group in Melbourne back in the 70s and 80s and 90s, I believe. So lots and lots of nostalgia here today. So hopefully you all enjoy this little video.
You know, ACDC were, and they were in the beginning. That's where they came from. That's where you watch Angry when he's doing his thing and that stuff, and that's he's doing the Sharpie stuff. He doesn't do it anymore. But when he was in those early days,
but he's playing was
he's doing it.
Dances and moves.
So they've all put together a lovely display down here of different photos, fashion and artwork. So just enjoy. Do that again.
When you think back in those days, they were like the guys, those bands were like guys who were on the floor. They were all young blokes and they were playing this music that was really loud and really hard and it was like, and it went on to sort of like,
Well, there was only a few years difference between the bands that were playing live and the audience.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They were into it as well.
And they used to perform at school lunches.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you used to be in schools and school halls and.
You'd have your night gigs. You could have 2 gigs in a night. And you could have a day gig at the school. So you had 3 gigs in one day.
Back in the day, when we were young, those times were different. Hard times, but we're fun. We fought and we made up after with a beer. We lived and we loved. It was a time of fast cars, looking out for our buddies. And getting fast women and fast cars. Tough guys and lots of glam. We had our own fashion, dances and moves.
This is a coat that was commonly worn by the 60s sharp and early 70s, and quite often they would wear these coats with either jeans or trousers that were kind of called a flag, or referred to as flags. So they might have been a tartan or a herringbone basket weave ounce to trouser, quite baggy, and these are Cuban and chisel toe shoes. They quite often were made by Venus or Acropolis, and these are both oxblood, and these are circa early 70s. This is a book on sharpie culture, and there's been a number of books. Julie Mack as well has written a number of books as well.
The old days, and he goes, yeah, I said, what would have happened? And he looked at me really shocked and said, someone would have whacked someone.
Oh, yeah.
And it would have been on for on and on. And he goes, what do you mean by that? And I go, where's this little cunt? Let's fucking hit him. Let's fucking him. And he goes, what do you mean? I go, come on, like the old days, let's fucking do it. And he's like, nah, fuck off. He goes, what are you talking about? I'm gonna fucking do this cunt. And you're gonna back me up or what? And he's fucking on it. And then he's like, and then he goes, you fucking real fuck off. And he walks away.
Friday night, the city's neon bright, engines hum low, bathed in the street light. Yeah, my '69 Mustang, cherry red and sleek, best damn ride on the whole damn week. Headed to the club where the rhythm's loud and fast. Club kids, rockers making memories that last. Saw you walk in, a look that cut me deep. You got that attitude the tough guys try to keep. We had a little fight right there beneath the strobes about some slick talk, player wearing borrowed clothes. But baby, we're a force, we're a beautiful brawl. A quick, clean kiss, then we're breaking down the wall. Red Boston fire burning hotter than the sun. Deep in my faith, my family, we get the job done. We stand up tall for the American way. Old-fashioned values never fade away. For my buddies, for my bay, yeah, we live or die. Tough guys, sweethearts beneath the crimson sky. This ain't a game. This is the Boston fight. The floor is vibrating, a pulse inside the room. Kick drum thumps out, the sound of coming bloom. Took off my jacket, let the sweat run down my spine. You're dancing next to me, you're the definition of mine. The way you move, babe, it's a complicated art. You got the beautiful look, but a tough, loyal heart. Heard a whisper, saw a shadow in the crowd. Some punk was talking smack, talking way too loud. Stepped in front of him, don't mess with what is ours. Loyalty's a thing that transcends the fast cars. A quick exchange, no need for anything rough. A little East Coast stare, and that was quite enough. We're Boston fire burning hotter than the sun. Deep in my faith, my family, we get the job done. We stand up tall for the American way. Old-fashioned values never fade away. For my buddies, for my bay, yeah, we live or die. Tough guys, sweethearts beneath the crimson sky.
If you've watched this video through to the very end, I thank you and appreciate y'all so much. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and share this one out with all your family and friends, as I'd love this one to go ballistic viral. If you'd like to support my channel more, and you're interested in having some channel mementos, please check out my merch store. Links below in the description, and also on the shopping tab here on my YouTube channel. I do appreciate those who support me with super thanks, super stickers and similar sponsorship. A huge thanks to y'all. Anyways, it's time to call it. So take care and be blessed.
Defend my faith, my family. We get the job done. We